Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be alive, and we're going to be talking about Dogecoin XRP and 2026. I think we are going to see. This is when I believe the bull run is really going to get started. From my perspective, I think the rest of this year is basically dead and dusted. I think we're just going to be going sideways. Don't forget we got FOMC, so hopefully we'll get a little bit of a bump on that. But I'm pretty sure that the price is already baked in, guys, particularly on Wall Street. So let's talk about huge price predictions for 2026, and I'm going to take a more realistic stance on crypto. I think that this 4-year cycle is kind of broken. I think we're going to see that the crypto cycle is going to get elongated, and I think it's very different. We see more institutions aping in, so I think things are very much different this freaking time, and we'll just have to see how this plays out, guys. So watch this video to the end, guys. So interesting price predictions, interesting things are going to happen for XRP and Dogecoin. So you're going to watch to the end to find out what the heck I'm talking about. And we're going to be talking about some of the top news that's affecting crypto right now, affecting you out there. Go back and watch all the videos. Don't forget to smash likes and subscribe. YB. So overall, we did see that yesterday the U.S. markets we're down, kind of negative out there. Still, a lot of stuff is happening. A lot of stuff is happening with Trump, and the Trump effect, and people are expecting more. I think perhaps this time is a little bit disappointing, right, in terms of the economy, and I think people are kind of like, we're expecting more. I think over-promised, under-delivered. What do you guys think about that? You think that Trump is over-promising and under-delivering? I'd like to hear what you comment. If you're on the left or the right, I don't care about that. But guys, tell me what you got to think. Tell me what you think about that. So right now, if we take a look at what's going on with crypto right now, we're seeing that crypto is basically all the gains yesterday have been kind of like wiped out, right? So all the gains are gone, yada, yada, yada. We expected that. More manipulation, more flush out, take a little bit, give a little bit. It's getting kind of boring out there. I definitely you're up, you go up 1%, you go down 1%. It's like basically the law of averages is that crypto is neutral right now. So Doge is defying odds. Doge is up 0.5%. No big news for Dogecoin that I can see right now, but Doge is faring much better than most of the cryptos out there. So it's good, right? It's good. It's good. So yeah, there's nothing really driving that. There's been some talk about X payments and this and that, some smatterings of that. So that's really what that's all about. So Doge is looking pretty good out there. So I'm happy about that. What's going on here? Cointelegraph news. Where are you? Okay, not working. So fear and greed right now is at 22. Still, I believe this is a good area to be buying crypto. Luckily, Bitcoin is turned positive in December, so that's pretty good. If we take a look at the liquidations, pretty much 50-50. So market makers kind of deciding should we fool the market, have a short squeeze, which will push prices up, or we will have prices go down. And I keep seeing this fart coin, guys. This fart coin. Should we? I think the OG is going to buy some fart coin. I don't know, but I just keep seeing this farty coin. Maybe it should be something good. Market cap is down as well as 0.39%. Fear and greed is 25. Altcoin season, it's nowhere in sight. And we're seeing that right now we're still pretty much in neutral territory in terms of average RSI. That's good news, right? Bitcoin is basically giving up the gains from yesterday. Ethereum is up slightly, but we're probably going to lose most of that momentum. XRP, neutral out there compared to yesterday, so let's hopefully keep our fingers freaking crossed. BNB is down. Solana is down. But the Doge Roger is defying odds, up 0.63%. And there's no big news for the Doge, trading at 1410 right now. So let's see. Doge is having an exciting day as it celebrates its 12th anniversary. Doge is showing signs of life. So it's an anniversary of Doge. Happy anniversary. And after recent dips, bulls are trying to push it higher, and breakout could bring it back. So happy anniversary for the Doge community out there. Looking good, guys. So XRP right now is at 206. It's pretty much neutral, right? Pretty much neutral, just kind of going like you know. It looks like also coming in, XRP makes history with the first U.S. regulated listing. This is the moment everybody said would never happen. XRP just kicked down the door in the regulated arena, and the game will never be the same. The domino is starting to fall, right? So now it's regulated. So that's pretty good, guys. So yeah, and then we won the court case, right? We won the court case. Bitcoin, it's still ranging in this descending triangle here. It just broke out here, and it's kind of in this range of this funnel pattern here. So I think we're just going to go, I think we're just going to chippity chop sideways. I think we're going to be, you know, ranging between like 87 and I think 87 and like 95. I think that's where we're going to be ranging. So if it dips to 87, buy, sell around 95. Not financial advice. That's just for what I do looking at the charts, right? Dogecoin, huge descending triangle. This has been going on since September, right? September, just been going down, down. Hopefully we get some momentum. Hopefully we get a breakout. But we need the community to kind of ape in. We need some kind of catalyst out there. Don't forget we got 2026 predictions for Dogecoin XRP. Yeah, you know, if we talk about XRP descending triangle, this has been going on now since November, right? And we can actually even elongate this, and we can say that we've really just been kind of trading downwards. We did have a little bit of breakout November, but we just kind of been going down, down. And we can actually even go, probably extend this all the way, you know, to be quite honest, we've kind of gone all the way from our highs here when we hit $3.60. We've just been kind of going down. Hopefully we'll get a recovery and a breakout. I realistically think that the first quarter of 2026, my prediction is we'll probably get ourselves, probably we'll see $3 coming in. I think this is the area I'm thinking for XRP. Huge price prediction 2026. I think Dogecoin, Doge, where's my Doge? Where's my Doge? My Doge, my Doge, my Doge, my Doge, my Doge. There's my Doge. I think realistically for Doge, I think first quarter of 2026, I think we'll hit around about 20 cents. That's my realistic prediction. For Bitcoin, I think we'll probably get ourselves back to about 120,000. Most likely first quarter of 2026, unless something like you know, aliens land and invade the planet Earth or something like that. That's kind of what I'm thinking out there. Let's take a look at what's coming in. Go back, make sure you watch all my videos out there. So it looks like we can see here in this chart, we're seeing XRP rinse and repeat. 2016 we had this double top, right? In 2016 we had this like double top here. Then we had this explosive wick, right? 2025 we're seeing the same double top pattern in this descending triangle, right? So we could see this wick explode, and if this happens, this could definitely take us higher, right? And we're seeing that the SRSI has reset again in here, so you can see this pattern is pretty similar to 2016 when XRP had this breakout. So hopefully this double bottom, we should get a nice wick to the upside and get that explosion, and hopefully that'll take us back up to like just over $3 for 2026. That's kind of what I'm thinking out there. Guys, don't forget to smash likes and comments. I thought this was funny. Looks like Vivek said, I bought this shitcoin back in 2013, and now I am down 50%. So, yeah, this is cute and funny, but it's true. The USD value is falling fast, right? And, you know, Bitcoin is outperforming. It's definitely outperforming. This comes in from Tara, and she's saying, this is exactly what we want to see on XRP. The next target is 273 for wave 3. What we're waiting for now is an impulse wave up, breaking past the two local resistances at 218 and 230. Once we break those levels, we should see 273. Now, I think this is entirely possible. My XRP price prediction for 2026, I think we should easily see ourselves back above $3 if this pattern plays out. So I kind of, you know, agree with her. I would have liked her to give us a time frame. That would have been really nice, right? A time frame. Like I said, just Bitcoin just flipped green for December. Santa rally, maybe. Let's hopefully, guys. There was a big tsunami in Japan, 7.2 tsunami warning. So if you're in a tsunami area, keep an eye on that. This is very bullish. Holy smokes, the Fed set to start buying back 45 billion in debt every month. So this is very bullish for the economy. This is from a trader Tardigram. I said, let's hope this happens. Doge community needs a big win, right? So if we take a look at Doge on the monthly, we have this kind of like cup and handle here, a nice breakout, cup handle breakout. So hopefully this will make things happen. He's kind of like predicting a $6 Dogecoin. That would be freaking awesome, right? It would be freaking awesome. So we're kind of like here, right? We're kind of in this area right now. He's saying we could have an explosive breakout. So, but that's not going to have to be community driven, right? We're going to need the community to get on that. Looks like according to Cointelegraph, now is the time to DCA into altcoins. With trading volume slipping under their annual average, altcoins have re-entered the historical accumulation zone. So once again, I think this is a good time to be buying altcoins. You can see here the big accumulation zone. And remember, XRP and Doge is an altcoin, right? Get your bags of Solana, get your bags of Ethereum would be very, very nice. I would appreciate that. It looks like X-Bull has just come in. Boom, XRP just pulled $244 million in inflows this week. That's more than Ethereum, more than Solana. So if you take a look at the inflows of XRP, they're some of the highest. So, the rotation already happening, and smart money isn't waiting for price action. If you're still watching the chart, you're behind. Breakouts start like this, quiet and violent. So he's predicting that with all these inflows into the ETFs that we could have a violent breakout to the upside. Looks like Michael Saylor has confirmed that he just bought 10,624 Bitcoin worth 962 million. That's positive, right? He wouldn't be buying if he thinks that Bitcoin is crap, right? Keep in mind, we've got a big week, right? Big week happening. FOMC meeting, possible quantitative easing start, inflation data release, and then we got the rate cuts on Wednesday. That is what everybody is looking for. And Friday, definitely, and Powell resigns. Looks like the Prowler is going to resign. Mega bullish week for crypto. Let's hope we get that pump. Don't forget, we got 88% of rate cuts. Looking pretty good. Good news. It looks like whales. Bad news. Whales sold 510 worth of XRP in the last week. Pure manipulation. I'm telling you right now. So let's take a look at Doge. Doge is holding firmly above its major support zone. Guys, don't forget to smash the likes and comment. I really appreciate that. And don't forget to show some love for the OG. I appreciate this. So Doge is holding firmly above the major support zone after a prolonged downtrend, and buyers are slowly stepping back in. Doge is showing potential early reversal pattern forming, with price attempting to push towards mid-range resistance. That's positive, right? That is amazingly positive out there. I appreciate that. What else is coming in? Guys, remember, XRP is ISO 2022. That means XRP acts like digital asset that can be used for on-demand liquidity with Ripple's net system, where the ISO 222 messaging can specify the settlement asset is XRP, allowing for faster, cheaper cross-border transfers, replacing SWIFT, guys. OG's losing. Breaking. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse says ETFs are still extraordinary early. All right. President Trump says Bitcoin will surpass the market cap of gold. Okay. And Justin Tomley, Bitmine buys 138,000 Ethereum. So they know something, right? They know something. Wall Street hedge. It's Ripple bet. In Ripple, 500 million deal investors protect themselves with guaranteed profit terms, showing Wall Street it's cautious as Ripple's $40 billion value mainly comes from XRP holdings. Okay, so looks like Japan speeding plans to classify XRP as financial product. That's pretty good. XRP makes history, first of its kind U.S. regulated listing. That is pretty good. So things are kind of shipping up for crypto. Things are looking pretty good out there. So guys, be blessed, be well. I'll see you in a freaking next one. Peace out.